It is essential that your clean room is well cleaned, especially during this critical time. It's of the utmost importance that you achieve the highest grade of cleanliness and maximum contamination control. Healthcare Logistics and Valeda have the products that you need to raise the overall hygiene levels and minimize infection rates significantly. The Mop Head Prep Container allows mop heads to be prepared in advance and carried into the cleanroom environment. No need to carry additional buckets for rinsing and saturating. Take a mop and fold it so that the arrow is on the outside. This will ensure that the leading edge touches the bottom of the box. After folding the mop, insert it into the box with the arrow pointing toward the bottom. The pocket side of the mop will be at the top. Place the sieve over the top of the prep container. Pour in your preferred pre-mixed disinfectant solution. Healthcare Logistics carries disinfectants and cleaners such as sporicidin, sterile deconahol WFI formula, Preempt One-Step, and Protex. To disinfect, the mop needs to be more wet. Use 300 milliliters per mop. To simply clean, the mop doesn't need to be as wet. Use 200 milliliters per mop. Remove the sieve and close the lid on the container. Wait 10 minutes before using the mops. This ensures full saturation of the mops. For a more thorough saturation, tilt the container to the front, back, right side, and left side at a 45-degree angle. You will want to do this twice, once after pouring in the solution and again prior to use. The extendable universal handle is designed for use with the CE Swep Duo Plus frame and CleanTech Duo Sterile Mop Heads to provide twice the cleaning potential, reduced costs, and less time spent cleaning. Extend the handle to about chin height for floor cleaning. You can adjust the handle by grabbing the base and twisting the top of the handle counterclockwise. Adjust the handle to the recommended height. Then turn the top of the handle clockwise to tighten. When you adjust the handle, it should be sprayed with Steri-Perox. Placing a color ring on the handle will allow for coating of cleaning equipment. And after you adjust in the clean room, your gloves should be sprayed with IPA. If you are in a sterile environment, you can lightly step on the mop frame, turn the handle counterclockwise, adjust the handle to the needed length, then turn the handle clockwise to tighten. Grab a mop head by the corner but near the arrow from the box. While holding the mop frame at one end, mount the mop head onto the frame by inserting the spring end of the frame over the prep container and pulling the other end of the mop head over the mop frame. Notice the orientation of the side indicator arrow when mounting on the frame. The arrow will be at the top near your fingers. Close the lid on the container. Using an overlapping figure 8 method or pull and lift method is recommended. Start at the furthest end of the dirty surface and work your way back. The Duo Mop frame allows the user to turn the mop head over to the clean side using gravity. This will allow the user to continue to clean or disinfect 2 times the area without going back to the bucket or touching the mop head. Start with the arrow on the mop head on top. The arrow will let the user know what working direction of the mop is. When you flip the mop head, you will no longer see the arrow and will know you're using the opposite side. There are 2 recommended methods for taking off a used mop head. 1. For a touchless removal, simply lift the frame lever. Keep in mind, this method will cause part of the mop head to tear and you will not be able to reuse the mop head. 2. Grab the frame and use your fingers to pull the mop head off the frame using the front corners. Dispose of the mop head in a designated container for used or discarded mop heads. Fold mop head. Place mop head into prep container. Make sure it touches the bottom. Place sieve on top of prep container. Pour in pre-mixed disinfectant solution. Tilt the prep container left, right, front, and back. Wait 10 minutes before use. Extend mop handle. Place mop head on mop frame. Mop surface. Flip mop head to opposite side after mopping 150 to 250 feet. Remove mop head from frame. Place dirty mop head in appropriate container. If you have any questions regarding the CE Duo system, please give Healthcare Logistics a call. Our representatives will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.